All right, welcome to today's class. Today's class is Indices Part 3. It is actually a continuation of Indices Part 2. So please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to click on the subscription button so that you can always be or you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you have not gone through Indices Part 1, Part 2, I would advise you go through part 1, part 2 before coming over to part 3 so that you will understand it better because part 3 is actually a continuation of part 2. So we have two questions on the board. Evaluate 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2 over 3 divided by 10 raised to the power of 2 over 3. So 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2 over 3 divided by 10 raised to the power of 2 over 3. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. So it can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3. That is for 8. There is already power 1 over 3. Then times 5 raised to the power of 2 over 3. All over 10 can be written as 2 times 5. Then there is a power 2 over 3. Now, this 3 will cancel this 3. You'll be left with 2 here times 5 raised to the power of 2 over 3. All over. From our knowledge of indices, this power will affect these 2 and it will also affect 5, which means that this will be 2 raised to the power of 2 over 3 times 5 raised to the power of 2 over 3. Let me continue here. Still from our knowledge of indices, we can split this to have 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2 over 3 times 5 raised to power 2 over 3 divided by 5 raised to power 2 over 3. Then from our knowledge of indices, if the bases are the same, we subtract their power if it is division. So the base here is 2, the base here is 2. We can subtract, the power here is 1 minus the power here 2 over 3. 5 raised to power 2 over 3. The base is 5. The base is 5. Since it is division, we subtract their powers. So 1 minus 2 over 3 means 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 over 3. Then times 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 is 0. So 5 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So it therefore means that we are having 2 raised to power 1 over 3 as the answer. You can also express it like this, the cube root of 2, still from the knowledge of indices. So that's the answer to question number 1. That's the answer to question number 1. So we now go over to the next example. The next example is that we should simplify the cube root of this. Cube root of 64 raised to the power minus 6. Then everything raised to power 1 over 2. This power will affect everything in the bracket. So this is the same thing as in cube root of 64 raised to power 1 over 2. R raised to power minus 6 times 1 over 2. The cube root of course, you can also write it like this, 8 raised to power 2. 64 means 8 raised to power 2. Then times, there is already power 1 over 2. R, 2 cancel 1, cancel here 3. So R raised to power minus 3. So 2 cancel here, cancel. So we have the cube root of 8R raised to power minus 3. Still from our knowledge of indices, this is the same thing as saying 8R raised to power minus 3, everything raised to take the power 1 over 3 inside the bracket, you will have 8 raised to power 1 over 3 r raised to power minus 3 times 1 over 3. Let me continue here. So this will give us 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to the power of 3, there is already power 1 over 3. This 3 will cancel this 3, and you are left with r raised to power minus 1. This will cancel this, so you have 2r raised to power minus 1. You can leave the answer like this, or still use the knowledge of indices and keep the answer as 2 times 1 over r, which is 2 over r. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of this class. We have come to the end of this class. If you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to click on the subscription button. Bye for now.